Let's go, let's go.
What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Jay Hernandez. I'm talking a little low right now because, you know, hey man, it's just chill vibes. And I'm about to unbox some sneakers for you guys. But before I do, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Anyway, man, this pickup is a shoe that I'm more interested in the collab that they did with this sneaker. It's not really like a brand collab, but it's a movie collab. This shoe is based off of Nightmare on Elm Street, Freddy Krueger. Yeah, man, Freddy Krueger, one scary ass dude back in the day. But yeah, man, I'm about to unbox these with you guys right now, and y'all let me know what you guys think. I know this is a little, I was really planning on doing something like this for like Halloween. I didn't hit on the skeleton Air Force Ones, plus they pushed them to the end of the month, and then the 97s, I didn't hit on those either. I will have the Air Force Ones in the collection one day. I promised you guys that I was going to do a review on them. It's not going to be anytime soon right now, but you know, just whenever I do get them. Right now I'm a little salty that I did not hit on them, and it was a sneaker that I really wanted, really wanted. But it's cool, man. I've been hitting on a lot of good shoes, so I really don't care. But this shoe right here would have been a nice review for the Halloween vibes. If you guys don't know, we did a review on the Vans. But anyway, man, here's the shoe right here. Let's get them out the box. These did come from overseas because these only released overseas. I'm not sure when they're going to do the Nike release on these. These things are heavy, bro. But you already know, man, it's StockX, bro. I mean, what can your boy do? It had been a while since I picked up from StockX, to be honest, bro. But here's the box, your little Nike box. You know, it's a nice box. Just all your Nikes come in this box right here. It looks like it made it in good shape from across overseas. European exclusive pair for right now. There you guys see, size 9. You guys see the color code, all that good stuff right there. Size 9 color code. So the color code does read velvet brown / university red. Size 9, personal size, personal pair. Let's open these things up. Got a little green stamp right there. Ooh. I'm gonna be 100% with you guys. I did not expect to even grab these. 95s are not my style, but I am a huge, got your regular paper, I am a huge horror movie guy. Like, I love scary movies, especially like older scary movies, so I felt that I had to pick this sneaker up, especially for the price that these things are going for right now. It was kind of dumb not to go for them. As you guys know, they do have the SB Dunks, Freddy Kruegers, and those things are going for tens of thousands of dollars, which is insane that anybody's willing to pay that much. The shoe in hand is different. Like I said, it's not something that I am accustomed to. The midsole right here is more of a brown than sail. I thought this was going to be a sail, but it's actually more of a brown than a sail color. And I mean, it's got some very nice materials on it. It definitely, I could see how this mixes in with the Freddy Krueger vibe. It's got blood splattered on the heel right there. And I really expected this shoe to do numbers. I thought this shoe was gonna go for a crazy amount of resale, but it didn't. And we have it right here. Just has different materials on it. It's got blood splattered on the tongue as well. It says Air Max on the, you know, your regular Air Max logo. This is a real different vibe sneaker. I always kind of look at the 95 like a hiking boot, if that makes sense. I've never really looked at it as like a fashionable sneaker. I just kind of think of it as like a hiking boot whenever I see these. You guys see the blood right there dripping on the heel, and it's got like this chrome color right here. It's like a chrome, I don't know what you would call it, Nike on the back, Nike Air to be exact. And it just looks like it's clothing. Like, if you watch the movies, it looks like it's clothing. You see the red coming in through here, then it's got like this shade of brown on the upper. The shoe is very nice. It's very cool to have this. I think this is definitely this is more of a collector's piece for me. Now, I don't say that a lot about my sneakers. I really don't have too many sneakers that are collector's pieces. Most of my sneakers are for me to wear. But this shoe right here is I gotta admit, this is definitely more of a collector's piece. It does have like these stitching details right here, like stitching up the clothes or the shirt, the sweater that he wears. It signifies. So this shoe is like, it's not like, this shoe is obviously a Freddy Krueger sneaker. I don't think the insole is pretty cool too. This is obviously a Freddy Krueger sneaker. There's a lot of shoes that kind of leave it up to the mind and to make you kind of give it the nickname, but this is 100% a Freddy Krueger shoe. Let's take the insole out so you guys can see the insole. Here you guys have the insole, and you guys see that the Nike has blood just dripping down. You're not gonna get the size tag on the insole since it's a European release. I was really tired when I got off of work today. I didn't feel like doing a review, but I really wanted to see these shoes. Like, I really wanted to check these sneakers out. So I was like, you know what, bro, you're just gonna have to do the review, and so you can actually look at them. The shoe is nice. I mean, in my opinion, it's very, very well executed. But then again, like, all I see is a hiking boot when I see this silhouette. There you guys got a quick look at the Freddy Krueger Air Max 95. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, if this is a shoe that you want to pick up or you plan on picking up. I really do not know how to wear these shoes, bro. Like, my guess is I'm gonna wear them with the laces undone, but are you like supposed to tie them up? I feel like if I tie them up, then the shoe kind of looks like too much of a hiking boot. But then if I wear them too loose, then the shoe looks really daddish and like really bulky, which, I mean, it's not a huge problem, but I just don't know what I'm gonna wear with this shoe, bro. Like, let me know how you guys wear them. Do you guys wear these tied up or laced up, or do you just like let them loose, like the laces? Do you guys let the laces loose? Let me know how you guys wear these shoes, or if you're a fan of the 95s, or maybe you're like me and you're not a huge fan of the 95s. Just let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think about the sneaker, and yeah, man, that's all I could really say on this shoe. The shoe is very cool. I mean, like, the shoe's very cool. I'm not, you know, it's just it's gonna be hard to wear. A lot going on with the sneaker, but y'all just let me know what you think in the comment section. It's your boy Jay Hernandez, and we're on to the next review, man. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, thank you for hitting the like button. Make sure you guys leave a comment down below. Don't be a stranger, leave a comment down below. I will interact with you guys as much as possible. I'm out of here. On to the next video, bro. Ladies.